and I'll be lecturing you on the topic menstruation. I believe majority of us here already know the meaning of menstruation. Thank you. And some of us here have started seeing a period as well. Thank you. So before we start, let me just ask, what's your name? Odion. Okay. There's not much time. I would have loved to know all your names, but let me start again. Your name? What's your name, please? Why are you shy? Thank you. Charity. So what's your name? Patient. I can see you are really patient. So thank you very much. That's funny. Yeah, she's patient. Thank you very much. As I said earlier, we are all familiar with the topic menstruation. Menstruation actually starts from the age of 9. 9? Yes. Yes. That is why you'll be surprised that some children from the north, you say, okay, 10 years pikin, e get belle. It's possible, provided she has started seeing her period. She can get pregnant. Depend on your body. Some start by the age of 9, some start by the age of 10, 11, 12 to 15. Yes, that is menstruation for you. And now, what is menstruation? If I ask questions now and say, what is menstruation? Some of you will say, it is the process by which blood is coming out from your vagina. Yes, you are right. But what led to blood coming out from your vagina? That is what I'm here to let you know. In a certain time, there's a certain time in a month where the lining in your uterus and that line in your uterus is thick. We call it is a layer tissue. It's thick. In a certain time in a month, it gets breaks because that line is rich in blood and glands. In a certain time in a month, it gets breaks, and when it breaks, that process, you start seeing blood coming out from your vagina. So we say menstruation, it is a biological process. It's a natural phenomenon. It is not a sickness, neither is it a disease. There are some persons, they will tell you, I'm not feeling fine. What is wrong with you? It's a normal woman sickness or women's sickness. No, menstruation is not a sickness. It shows that you are growing. It shows that you are developing to become a woman. A girl child who is not menstruating should seek the help of a doctor. Yes, it's a normal thing. So that process whereby the lining in the uterus breaks, that is when you experience blood coming out from your vagina. So we say it is a biological process whereby the lining in the uterus shed. When we say shed, breaks. So it is normal for a girl child. There's how do I put it? There's a cycle for it. If you want to know the length of your cycle, so many people now, they don't know when their period will start. They'll just say, it like say it don't start. And some people, they don't know how to calculate it. If you want to know the length of your cycle, the first day of your period, menstruation is also called period. It's also called menses. The first day your period starts, you note it on your calendar or anywhere. Then you wait for the next one. From that first day of your previous period to the next period, the first day, that is your length, your cycle. Some people see theirs every 21 days. Some see theirs 22. It happens in some persons even 35 days. So it is a normal phenomenon. During that process, if you involve yourself in an unprotected sex, yes, you may likely get pregnant. You can't say, okay, because I'm 10 years old, I cannot get pregnant. You will get pregnant as far as you have started seeing your period if you involve yourself in an unprotected sex. So when you have started menstruating as a young girl, you keep yourself far from unprotected sex, except you are ready to bring a child to the world. If you are not ready, you keep yourself far from unprotected sex. During this period, it is normal for every girl child or women to experience cramping. Ah, my belle dey pain me. My tummy is paining me. Yes, it is normal. Okay, I'm tired. I'm feeling so tired. It is normal. Mood, I no don know how body dey do me today. It is normal. That is, your body is changing. Your body is developing. I take myself as an instance. I started seeing my period when I was 9 years. Yes, I started seeing my period when I was 9. Then I was in primary 5. My mom did not tell me anything about menstruation. She was focusing on my eldest sisters because they were older than me. She would call them to corner when I would call, go and play, because she felt I was still a child. But boom, if after my eldest sister started seeing her own, I was the next person. My immediate elder sister has not started seeing her own. And how did it happen? We just closed from the school. Thank God the uniform I was wearing was a blue uniform. So people did not notice. We finished. I just said, let me sit at there's one stone close to my class. When I got up, everywhere is wet. I never noticed. I said, maybe I sit down on top of water. That was how I got up. When I got up from there, I went home. Getting home, I was still feeling some discharge from my body. Let me check. Bam, it's blood. I went to meet my mom. My mom was not around. I met my elder sister. My elder sister was shocked because who is they seeing you for here? And she's far senior to me. But that is why I encourage parents to start telling their children about menstruation, especially from 9 years, because it happens. So thank you very much. My next colleague will tell you more about hygiene and illustrate how to use the sanitary pad. Thank you.